Have you ever wondered what would happen if a single sentence could stay in her mind long after the conversation ended? Imagine saying something so meaningful that it sparks emotion, captures her attention, and makes her think about you long afterward. If that were possible, would you still rely on ordinary compliments like, "You look nice," or "That's a beautiful dress"? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I want to ask you for a small favor. If these videos help you understand female psychology and relationships on a deeper level, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us reach more men who want to improve themselves and better understand attraction and connection. And while you're here, let me know something in the comments. What city are you watching from today? I always enjoy seeing viewers from different places around the world, and it helps create a stronger community here. Now let's get into today's topic. Most men underestimate the power of their words. They believe attraction is mainly built through appearance, wealth, or social status. While those things may play a role, they're not what create a memorable emotional connection. What truly matters is how a woman feels when she's around you, and one of the most effective ways to create that feeling is through a meaningful compliment. Think about it for a moment. Have you ever noticed how someone's entire day can change because of a single sincere comment? Sometimes one sentence, spoken with confidence and genuine intention, can leave a deeper impact than hours of conversation. The right words can completely change the way a woman views you, not just temporarily, but in a way that stays with her. Today we're going to explore 8 compliments that go much deeper than ordinary praise. These aren't cheesy pickup lines or empty flattery. They're thoughtful observations that make a woman feel appreciated, understood, and emotionally connected. And here's something many men never realize. If you're constantly giving generic compliments like, "You're beautiful," "You look amazing," or "Nice outfit," you blend into the background. You become just another guy saying the same things every other man says. But when your compliments come from genuine observation and emotional awareness, they carry much more weight. Remember, it's not only about the words themselves, it's about the feeling behind them and the emotion they create. So if you want to stand out, become more memorable, and build stronger attraction, pay close attention. Let's begin. Compliment. Number 1. That perfume you're wearing smells incredible. It's hard to forget. A woman's scent is often connected to her identity. Smell is one of the strongest senses tied to emotion and memory. Long after someone leaves the room, their fragrance can still linger in your mind. When you compliment her scent, you're communicating something deeper than simple attraction. You're telling her that her presence stays with you even when she's not around. That can be surprisingly powerful. Compliment number 2. Your smile completely changes the atmosphere around you. This compliment isn't focused on physical beauty alone. It's about the energy she brings into a room. A genuine smile has the ability to make people feel comfortable, welcomed, and positive. By acknowledging her smile, you're recognizing the emotional effect she has on those around her. That's something many people rarely hear. Compliment number 3. I admire how authentic you are. You never seem like you're trying to be someone else. In today's world, many people feel pressure to fit in or seek approval from others. Authenticity has become increasingly rare. When you compliment her ability to stay true to herself, you're recognizing something much more meaningful than appearance. You're appreciating her character and individuality. That kind of compliment often resonates on a deeper level. Compliment number 4. I really enjoy hearing your thoughts. You have a unique perspective. Now you're moving beyond physical attraction and connecting with her mind. Every woman wants to feel that her opinions matter and that someone genuinely values what she has to say. By complimenting her perspective, you're showing respect for her intelligence and the way she views the world. That creates a much stronger connection than surface-level praise. Compliment number 5. Your attitude is inspiring. Being around you motivates me to improve myself. This is a powerful compliment because it goes beyond admiration. You're not simply saying that you like her. You're expressing that her presence positively influences your life. People naturally appreciate knowing they've had a meaningful impact on someone else. When delivered sincerely, this compliment can leave a lasting impression. Compliment number 6. One thing I notice about you is how thoughtful you are. You genuinely care about people. Kindness often goes unnoticed. Many people focus on beauty while completely overlooking character. When you recognize her compassion and consideration for others, you're highlighting qualities that reflect who she truly is. Because this compliment is less common, it often feels more genuine and memorable. Compliment number 7. I respect how dedicated you are. When you set a goal, you really commit to it. Ambition and determination are important parts of a person's identity. Whether she's focused on her career, education, family, or personal growth, acknowledging her discipline shows that you notice the effort she puts into her life. This type of compliment communicates respect, and respect creates strong attraction. Compliment number 8. You have a gift for making people feel comfortable and appreciated. Some individuals possess a natural ability to make others feel valued. They listen carefully, make people feel included, and create positive experiences without even realizing it. When you compliment this quality, you're recognizing her emotional intelligence and social awareness. Those traits often matter far more than physical appearance. So there you have it. 8 meaningful compliments that go beyond ordinary attraction and create genuine emotional impact. The important thing to remember is this: a compliment isn't powerful because it's clever, it's powerful because it's sincere. Anyone can comment on a woman's appearance. Very few people take the time to notice her character, mindset, energy, or unique qualities. That's what makes the difference. At the end of the day, people rarely remember every word that was said to them, but they always remember how someone made them feel. And when your words make a woman feel appreciated, respected, understood, and valued, those feelings tend to stay with her for a very long time. If you enjoyed this video and found these insights useful, make sure to continue learning and improving yourself. The goal isn't simply to attract attention. The goal is to become the kind of man who leaves a meaningful and lasting impression wherever he goes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.